Well, it's not that because change is difficult. First, you have to convince yourself that there's a need for change. And I think very few faculty, if you ask them, actually think there is a real need to change. Yes, there are problems, but look, we know exactly what we get when we give a lecture-based course. Most of the class will be silent. There's no confusion. Why is there no confusion? Because nobody's really started to learn. And I more or less know what type of evaluations I'm going to get, because that's how we evaluate the quality of education, by asking students to give feedback on lectures. If I hear about active learning as somebody who has for his entire career been lecturing passively, I may think, that makes sense, but then what will happen when I implement it? What is going to happen to my evaluation? What are my colleagues going to think of me if I no longer lecture, but instead have the students do the work during the classroom? And I think it's fear of failure, in a sense, and fear of running into unanticipated problems that make people go back to the comfort of lecturing.